Ano ba mga kababayan? Welcome to Fernando Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, nandito tayo ngayon sa isang unique na establishment dito po sa San Fernando Pampanga. Actually, nabanggit ko yung San Fernando Pampanga pero boundary lang siya ng Angeles City.
Yes,
Kasi nasa Telabastagan po tayo. At ang tawag po nila sa lugar na to ay
Musikapihan.
Musikapihan. Napakadalang lang na ganito yung mga tema or yung market ng mga restaurant.
Oo. So, this place has a music studio. Meron siyang school. Actually, it is a music school na nagtuturo sa different kinds of instruments and even meron siyang a very
Voice lessons
special
din.
place na makikita nyo mamaya. Na nakita nyo, parang dito ko nata makikita ang aking next
Wow.
talent. No?
Yung kinukup mo na talento.
Na tinatago ko at tinatago ko na lang. Oo.
And ang na-attract po naming mga first customers are musicians, mga college students. Yung vision, hindi sila magkakakilala.
And then they just started
Jamming.
singing.
Yeah.
Strangers, and then they were singing together. The
There
first
are-
and second night.
Yeah,
diba,
first and
Daddy?
second night. There are clips na may bigla na lang tutugtog ng piano and all of a sudden, lahat ng customers kumakanta silang lahat. Our vision exactly is to provide a hub for musicians na magkaroon sila ng parang tahanan. Gusto, pwede nilang, some place na pwede nilang matawag na home.
Sabi nila, di raw kakayanin. Di kahit sumuot na pa siya ang nagsumugin. Kamaling ka na ang lahat.
We have a recording studio po dito sa establishment. So, we are trying to give the community the artist experience. You don't need to be a professional singer. You don't need to be a professional performer to record. If you want to have that artist experience, you can go here. You can record any song that you want. You can use -1s or whatsoever. And you also have the option to have live instrumentalists from the roster of our teachers. For the younger generation, exactly. That's precisely the reason why we have the school.
Guys, halatang first time namin sa isang studio and we are actually surprised. Yung mga ganitong businesses, they're trying to incorporate another business, no? This is a, sound studio, ayan.
Yeah.
Sa music studio.
First time ko.
So dito guys, ayan, meron tayong mga instruments din you can try. You can also record here sa mga aspiring gustong magkaroon ng actually yung kahit yung mga personal na something that you keep. So what I'm trying to say is, say for example, kasi dito yung setup natin guys, pwede kayong mag-record and at the same time gagawan kayo nilang ng music video mo. So you sing here and then they're gonna create that one.
Tsaka, it's like a dream na hindi pa huli ang lahat. Whatever age you are, kumbaga, if you want na magkaroon ng sariling ganon na material, bakit hindi, di ba?
Exactly. Okay, so we have other rooms pa aside from this one. Again, first impression, it's actually, ayun, no? Okay, so labas tayo guys, tingnan pa natin yung mga iba. Yung mga studios po natin dito, mga rooms natin dito are dedicated din, sabi yung mga kanina, for some musical instruments, for singing. So if you're interested to know more po, actually they do have yung package nila to for your kids to enroll or even yung mga adults. Actually, they also encourage yung mga
Hindi pa huli ang lahat.
Yes, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Also, I'm really happy na these kinds of businesses are starting to show up in Pampanga.
Yes,
Yung isa sa mga pinaka-goal nila actually is to strengthen yung music community.
Sa Pampanga, parang konti pa lang yung ganitong klase ng cafe. And it is good to see people on the same passion, with the same passion, na meeting together in one place. They really have a space here because mararamdaman talaga nila na this place is for them. Yes.
But basically, what you see here are, mga mini tacos.
Yes.
And meron din tayong lasagna. Meron din tayong mga mini burgers
Mini
dito.
burgers.
Chocolate and matcha. And of course,
Cupcakes.
cupcakes.
Yeah.
So once again, congratulations po sa Musikapihan. We're gonna enjoy these more. And guys, you have another place for you to check out if you are a music lover.
Music lover or loves music, even though music
Doesn't love you?
doesn't love you. It's okay.
It's okay.
We have a room for this.
You have a place in Pampanga, and you also have a place for good food and a good community
Good community, good
to be
food,
part
good
of.
place.
So, thanks so much
Musikapihan.
Musikapihan for inviting us, and again, congratulations po.
Congratulations!
Kain na tayo.
Kain na.